Hello, everybody. I hope you are having a great day. Thank you in advance for purchasing my book. So, how can you purchase the book? First of all, here is my website, and you can get to my website by going to bit.ly. So, bit.ly/DOP Tamika Martin. Once you get there, you can see you can buy now, or you can go to the book. You can see some information about the book. You have another buy now feature there. But let's go ahead and talks all about me and what's going on with me and a video there. But let's get to the book. Let's get to the book. So you're going to go back up here, buy now. It takes you to the book. You will type my name in there. Okay. You will tell it how many you want, whether 1 or 20. Add to the cart. And there you have it. Once you view your card, it'll give you all your shipping and all that other information. So I appreciate your support. Again, Tamika Martin, daughter of promise. Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at a proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up.